This is the best surprise ever. Is it my birthday? I think it's my birthday right now. Hey guys, so today's video is one that I'm always really excited about, and that is a Dread unveiling video. And so this one is extra exciting, extra special for a couple different reasons. The first one being that this is a surprise set. And so I haven't done a surprise set in a long time, and so that means that I actually haven't seen this yet. Rena's Dreads, as you guys probably could read from the title. And so that's the other reason that makes this a little bit extra special, and that's because Rena's Dreads is a dread maker that I've had my eye on for a while. She's relatively new. She started officially selling dreads in like 2016, but I've been seeing her stuff pop up for a while, and I've always been really intrigued by her sets because she does these really beautiful mixed texture sets. So I'll get into what that means in a little bit, but basically I've just seen her work before and it's really gorgeous, and she did actually tell me that she hand blends a lot of her colors. Every set that she makes is just extra one of a kind, and it's a custom set of course, but it's gonna be like extra custom. And I've also had this package for a while. I was actually sick this past week and I'm still kind of getting over it, as you guys can probably hear. So I've been waiting to open this one, and I finally have time, finally feeling okay enough to like film and talk and be a person. So let's open this up. I cannot wait any longer. Okay. Some nice packaging. Oh, this is so cute. Oh my god. Look at this. That's so cute. Okay, so let's read this first, because I say so. Oh, cute. Yes, the day I'm getting my set is finally here. Oh my god. Aww. I am almost certain that I will love them as much as you do. I'm so excited. Oh, so cute. Thank you. Alright, so we can pull the string, I guess. Is that like a thing that I can do? Oh shit. Dude. Oh, these are so beautiful. And there's, okay, so this is what I'm seeing, and there's extra stuff, which I think I knew was gonna happen. Happy unpacking! Ah, okay, I'm gonna save that right there because I'm just so excited about these. Oh my god, okay, I have to set this down. Wow, these are, holy shit. Oh my god. Wow, are you kidding? Oh my god. So like I had only seen like sneak peeks, like very initial work in progress, and wow. These, I can't even, holy shit. There is just so much going on in this set that, like, wow. There's braids, there's wraps, there's so many different shades of red, there's shades of orange, there's hints of yellow, there's hints of white, there's all of this gray, this beautiful black in here. It looks even better than I had imagined. And so this was a surprise set, but I'd given her an inspiration photo and gave, like, you know, the length that I wanted, the thickness, all that jazz, but I basically just gave her like creative freedom in interpreting this inspiration picture, which is this right there. Basically was like, do with that what you will, and this is like so crazy. Oh my gosh. The grays and charcoal like mixed up in, like, not just like, it's like dispersed so beautifully, and oh my god. This like patch of yellow, like, blown away. Just blown away. Oh my god, and it's, I keep finding new favorite ones that I have in here. And also the ends are like crazy soft. I have never really felt dread ends be this soft before. I've had like loose ends, so ends like this are loose ends, and I've never felt them be this soft, and I am loving it so much. This is gonna be dangerous in terms of I'm just gonna be like this all day, every day. So these are about 45 to 50 centimeters long, and so that's like about 18 to 20 inches, which is pretty much my favorite length that I've found. There are 25 in here, and they are double-ended synthetic dread extensions. They're mostly Sharpie thickness, mostly average thickness, but there are some thinner ones in here. So these are synthetic, like I said, and they're of a mixed texture, like I mentioned Rena does. So what that means is that there are natural crocheted ones, there are messy crocheted ones, there are braids, and then there are wraps. So for example, here is a braid, right here is a wrap, and then I'm pretty sure that these would be the natural crocheted, and then this would be a messy crochet. So again, I'm pretty sure these would be messy crochet, natural crochet. It's gonna look so dope, and I can't wait to install these. I think I actually have to wait a couple more weeks before I can install them because I have to like do a bunch of shit first. But yeah, wow, holy shit. This is a collab set with Rena's Dreads. It's a trade set, but she said that something like this would cost around 150 euros. She is based in Germany, by the way, so that's why we're speaking in euros today. And so if you would like your own set like this or like something else, she does do custom orders. She is currently booked, but she'll be open again relatively soon, and of course she'll post about it when she is. I did ask, and if you are loving this set and if you want something similar, she is willing to do that. She can't replicate it exactly because, you know, literally every single dread in here is different, but she can definitely make something similar. And she also offers installs for dread extensions, synthetic or wool. So if you are local in the area of Germany or a nearby country, then you can go see Rena and she will install your extensions for you. Oh shit, I almost forgot about the extra little thing in here. Happy unpacking. Hell yeah, happy unpacking. It's been awesome so far. I also just love this like packaging style. And it says goodies. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Okay, so I was not prepared for this many little gifts. Okay. Alright. So Rena also makes dread accessories, which I'm pretty sure this is what these are. So let's open up this first one. I'm overwhelmed. Oh no. Oh boy. Holy shits. Alright, so the first one that I pulled out is gorgeous. Okay, but I love this one. I love this one. I'm so excited. These are gonna look so good on this set too. To not get too excited or else I'm not gonna be able to talk. Oh my god, it's so cute. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, it's so cute. It's a little mini one. Oh, that's so great. This is working out so perfect too. I love black. Rena, if you're watching this is too much. You're too much. You're too nice. And I just... what do I even say? What do I even say about this? Look at this. This is another little crystal, this time on a black spirally thing. I don't even know what dread jewelry? It's on a nice little spiral. That's what I'm gonna say. I'm like not gonna be able to say thank you enough because I was like blown away by the set. And now I have so many, look, oh my god, I have so many beautiful dread bead jewelry pieces. I can't even talk right because of how blown away by this set I am. Cute. This was tiny. It wasn't a big, it was deceptive. Oh, it's so cute. So pretty. Alright, last little cute little package. So adorable. It's a little red spiral. Oh my god, I love it. Okay, I'm so happy and excited. Oh my god. Also, I know that I kind of pull weird faces if I'm like into stuff. But if it looks like I'm like disgusted or gonna cry, it's a good thing. I've learned that my face kind of does the opposite of what I'm feeling on the inside if I'm like really into stuff. It's just who I am as a person. So disclaimer. Okay, so I don't even... I'm like... what am I saying now? Like this is... oh my god. This is the best surprise ever. Is it my birthday? I think it's my birthday right now. I'm just floored. I'm already obsessed with this set. Just obsessed with it. It's perfect right now. This is kind of reminding me of my first Sammy synthetic set, which was my first custom set. So that was like a really like monumental moment in my Dread extension career. Like, I knew it was gonna be good, but I honestly, like, this is dope as hell. And I also just want to take a second and say to you, Rena's Dreads, thank you. Like, holy shit, thank you. Thank you for collabing with me. Thank you for doing this as a trade set. You're great. These are great. I'm excited. Thank you. You're the best. You deserve more praise than I'm giving you, probably. And the end. And I have been so distracted by these that I almost forgot the most important part about these videos, aside from actually looking at this new set, and that is we have to name these extensions. Anything that your mind lands on when you see these. So for me, I've been getting very strong vibes from these, like powerful vibes. You know, if you look at this as a whole, it's not like a death and evil darkness set, you know, maybe there's a little bit of that in there. I don't know. So that's kind of what I'm getting, but I'm definitely gonna need your guys' help to figure out a name for this set. So let me know down below and vote for your favorites by thumbs upping them. As always, I will have all of the Dreadmakers information linked down below, Facebook page, Instagram. I also have all of my personal social media links down there, so feel free to check those out if you would like, and feel free to subscribe if you're not already, especially if you want to see what these look like once they're installed. But if you'd like to be the very, very first to see them before YouTube, before Instagram, before anyone, then you can join as a patron, because patrons see hair stuff first. Alright, so that is it for this Dread unveiling video from Rena's Dreads. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!